There we go.
Mystery, call my mystery.
What?
My partner's an idiot and lost her whole back knee.
You can make another one. We got a plane flying. Flying.
How did you bring her up? And it's what you broke it. Or did you land it?
I shared on that with them. Right when I got one through all three.
Can you land it?
Yeah, land it.
And you look like your dad.
Here's a close up of the plane. The power pole we use.